A repayment history that doesn't match what you've actually paid usually isn't permanent, but you should verify it as soon as you notice it because future repayments, account eligibility, and support requests all depend on accurate records. By the end of this video, you'll know why Cleo repayment history can appear wrong, how to check whether it's actually an error, and the fastest way to get it corrected. Start by opening Cleo and reviewing your repayment history, one entry at a time. Compare each repayment with your own bank statement instead of relying on memory. Check the repayment date, the amount that left your account, and whether the payment shows as completed, pending, or failed. A payment can appear missing if the bank transfer is still processing, even though the money has already left your account. Next, confirm you're looking at the correct Cleo account. If you've changed email addresses, switched phones, or signed in with a different login method, you could be viewing an account that doesn't contain your full repayment history. Also check that your connected bank account is still linked correctly. If the connection was interrupted, some information may not refresh immediately. If your bank statement clearly shows a successful repayment but Cleo still displays incorrect information after the payment has finished processing, gather evidence before contacting support. Take screenshots of the repayment inside Cleo, the matching transaction from your bank account, and any confirmation emails or notifications you receive. Having everything ready makes it much easier for the support team to compare the records. When you contact Cleo support, explain exactly which repayment is incorrect. Include the repayment date, the amount, and a short description of what you expected to see versus what the app currently shows. Avoid sending multiple requests about the same issue because that can slow down the review process. Instead, reply to the existing conversation if support asks for additional information. While you're waiting, avoid making assumptions based on the incorrect history. Wait for confirmation from Cleo before concluding that a repayment failed or that you owe an additional payment. If the issue is caused by a synchronization delay or account review, the repayment history may update after the records are verified. The key points are simple. First, compare Cleo with your bank statement instead of guessing. Second, collect screenshots before contacting support. Third, provide complete repayment details in a single support request so the team can investigate efficiently. Your next step is to review your latest repayments today and report any genuine mismatch with supporting evidence. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more Cleo troubleshooting tips and updates.